How to craft a bed in Terraria. So to craft a bed, you cannot just use a workbench. You need a specific chain of crafting stations. So the core recipe is 15 wood and 5 silk. And you also need a sawmill. So this is the sawmill right here. Next is you will need to gather cobwebs. So you can get cobwebs just by going underground. So as you can see right here, these are cobwebs, and if you destroy it, you automatically get it. And you'll also need a loom right here to basically craft the silk. So if you go next to a loom and go to your inventory or your crafting recipes, you will find the option to craft the silk right here using 7 cobwebs. Now to build the loom, you just basically need the sawmill, which requires 12 wood to build the loom. Once you have the loom, you can now craft silk right here. So let's try to craft some right there. Now to craft the bed, you will need 15 wood and 5 silk. So let's try to craft it right here. And as you can see, we now have our bed. So a bed has 2 distinct functions depending on where you click it. So if you click right here on like the right side of the bed right there, or if like a bed icon appears next to your cursor, it will basically set your spawn point just like that. But if you click right here on the pillow side, or if there's no bed icon near the cursor, it will help you sleep right there, which will pass the time in the game. So the game time accelerates 5 times when you sleep, though you cannot sleep during events like blood moon, solar eclipse, or boss fights. And that is how I basically make a bed in Terraria.